baby?
If a pig is 40 years old, like me, I get it 40 years old.
Wow, 4 years old. Happy birthday. We love you so much.
The pig is
Hey.
so hungry.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Sophie.
Happy 4th birthday.
Gugu
We love you.
gaga.
Kiss mommy and daddy.
Happy birthday.
Do you love mom and dad?
Yeah, quack.
Quack.
We love you too so much.
Yay.
Welcome to our room. This is our hotel. There is a swimming pool here.
Oh, what do we have there? It's a happy birthday, Sophie! It's Sophie's birthday. Happy birthday, baby! Sophie! Happy birthday! Hi! Happy birthday, Sophie! Happy birthday, Sophie! Happy birthday, Daddy! Oh, it's Sophie's birthday. Hey, happy birthday. We love you, baby. Hey, are you ready for Mom and Dad's surprise for your birthday? What do you think? Give me a good guess.
Soft animal.
Soft animal? I'm not sure. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now open your eyes. Happy birthday, Sophie! That's so big! Wow! We love you, baby! Macy! Show us your unicorn. That's so big!
You're so heavy.
Yeah, it's big as Sophie. Wow! Let me see, baby.
Come on, unicorn. Don't keep going down.
So heavy. I think something is written, baby. Let's see. Wow, look, oh. I love you.
Sophie.
Push yourself. Push yourself. Well done. Great job. Cindy.
You did so good.
Birthday, Sophie. Happy birthday, Sophie. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sophie. Eat! Thank you, Hilton. Happy birthday, Sophie. We love you.
Wow.
Wow. Are you happy with your cake? Is it yummy, Sophie? Yummy cake?
So yummy.
Wow. Mm. Happy birthday, Sophie. Happy birthday, Sophie. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sophie. Happy birthday,
Happy
Sophie.
birthday.
Happy 4th birthday. Yay! Happy birthday.
How old is Sophie now?
How old are you?
Thank you everyone for giving the presents. And I also love my mom and dad so much.
We
And
love
I
you
want to
too.
kiss and hug.
Wow, we love you too. Love you. Happy birthday.